Hey everyone, welcome back to Jakmedia, the home of web design and tech brilliance. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to implement a dark mode theme on your website. We'll build a dark light mode toggle using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You know when you click on a toggle button and the site changes from light to dark? Yes, that's exactly what we're building today. So make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on more helpful tutorials like this. Let's start with a clean page and build something simple and effective so you understand the concept very well. Alright, open your index.html file and add the following structure. Make sure to link your CSS and JavaScript files correctly. Notice how I use the defer attribute when linking the JavaScript file. This makes sure the script runs after the HTML is fully loaded. Now create a container using a div with the class container. Inside that, add a title using an h1 tag. Then add a paragraph with some sample text. And finally add this toggle button code below. It uses a moon emoji with the code. Now let's see what we've coded so far. Looks good. Let's add some styles to make it look better. Open your style.css file. We'll start by writing the default theme, which is light mode. Then we'll style the container to center the content and make it look clean. Style the button to give it some size and spacing. Now, let's write the dark mode styles. This will change the background and text colors when the dark class is active. Next, let's add the JavaScript code. Open your script.js file and type the following code. The code will listen for a click event on the toggle button, toggle a dark class on the body element, and update the emoji icon on the button. We'll use a simple if statement. If the site is in dark mode, it shows the sun emoji. If it's in light mode, it shows the moon emoji. Go through all the code once to make sure you've typed everything correctly. Now let's test it out. Click on the button. Wow, it works perfectly. You now have a smooth, responsive, dark mode toggle for your website using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, let's implement this code into one of our websites to see how it works. This is one of my previous tutorials. If you want this site, click the link showing at the top of the screen to check it out. Or, if you have your own website where you'd like to apply this feature, let's get started. Go ahead and type the code below inside your navigation bar menu list. This is the dark mode toggle button with an emoji icon. Let's preview it in the browser. Nice. Now let's style it with CSS. Carefully type the CSS code below. If you're adding this feature to your own website, make sure to adjust the positioning of the button to fit your layout properly, so it doesn't interfere with your site's structure. Let's check it out again in the browser. Looks great. Now let's make it functional by writing our JavaScript code. Carefully type the code below. Once you're done, go through all your code to make sure everything is in place. Now let's see the magic in the browser. Perfect. It works just fine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to Jakmedia, and drop a comment if you want more UI tips and web design tutorials. Thanks for watching. This is Jakmedia, and I'll see you in the next video.